Samia ma'am, are you here?
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? Hope you are well. Thank you very much for giving me to share my first month journey. Okay. I think our first month journey was a very short time, but it is very good and helpful for us. We learn many new English lessons. For example, many English word and making sentence, and also we understand tense clearly. At first, I thought English is very difficult, but now I feel confident and remove our shyness and nervousness. Now I can make many simple English sentence. This is possible only for our sir, and our honorable teacher Masum Reza sir is very kind, friendly, and supportive. Sometimes he motivates us, and he always helps us how we are improving our English. Because of him, I feel very enjoy our first month class, and also our outdoor lesson and video making is also helpful for us. And today is our last class of this month. It is emotional for us. We are always miss our honorable teacher. Thank you so much, sir, for guide us in our first month journey. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, Fatima Alam ma'am, are you here?
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum, everyone. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today, I will say you about my first month experience in English therapy. I remember before attending our first class, I was very worried about that how my teacher or my classmates will accept me, as I know English but I cannot speak English properly. That's why I become very anxious about it. But when I attend my first class in with our students and my teacher Masum Raja, he accept me in a very with kindness and very gently that you can speak English after 3 months. You can improve day by day. Thank you so much, sir, for supporting us.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much for sharing your experience. Labib sir.
Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Good time, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fit and fine. This is Abdullah Labib in front of you. Today, I would like to talk about feeling this month. In one month, our feelings can change many times. Sometimes we feel happy and motivated, and sometimes we feel sad or tired. This is a normal part of life. At the beginning of the month, we open helpful. As day pass, we face challenges and responsibilities. We understand ourselves better and become strong emotionally. In my opinions, feelings is a month show our growth. Thank you for watching, everyone.